the mid-70s. Saturday. Has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Kendall County in northeastern Illinois, Grundy County in northeastern Illinois until 10:15 p.m. At 9:54 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along the line extending from Earlville to near Marseille to near Saint-Pacific, miles at 9:15, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Aurora, Joliet, Plainfield, Oswego, Yorkville, Morris, Channahon, Minooka, Plano, Sandwich, Braidwood, Coal City, Dwight, Montgomery, Boulder Hill, Diamond, Seneca, Gardner, Malzone, and Newark, including the following interstates: Interstate 55 between mile markers 220 and 233. Interstate 80 between mile markers 103 and 122. This includes Gedward State Park, Grundy County Speedway and Fairgrounds, and William G. Stratton State Park. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.